Court of Appeals literally 5 minutes ago, but before I go there, you know what helps me sleep at night? Yes. What else? What helps everybody sleep at night? Diversify your investments so you know there's safe. Physical gold. Aren't you concerned about the Biden administration, what they're doing? You can learn more about physical gold and diversifying with it with gold IRAs. You heard me correctly. You can buy gold for your IRA, 401k, physical gold. Gold can't be tracked with digital currency. No one has to know you're buying. It can't be printed.
Okay.
The best resource for gold IRAs is Augusta Precious Metals. Nobody's in number 2. They're number 1. Their track record is phenomenal. Learn why thousands of Americans are getting gold IRAs as part of their retirement portfolios. You need to protect yourself. You need to contact Augusta Precious Metals. Get their free guide. All you have to do is text Levin, L-E-V-I-N, to 68592. That's L-E-V-I-N to 68592. Or go to AugustaPreciousMetals.com. That's AugustaPreciousMetals.com. Again, or L-E-V-I-N to 68592. Text data and message rates may apply. Performance varies. Consult your financial professionals before making investment decisions. Get risk disclosures at AugustaPreciousMetals.com. Most of all, take your toe in the water. Here's the big decision. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals slaps Biden administration for contact with social media companies. The U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals has upheld an injunction. Remember that great ruling in the Western District of Louisiana? Restricting how the government can communicate with social media companies, which the Biden administration warns, of course, will slow the efforts, blah, blah, blah. The panel of judges, all GOP nominees, you never hear them write that about Democrats, do you? Say that the administration's efforts to flag what is considered to be false and harmful content about COVID, the 2020 election, and other topics that violated the social media companies' policies likely amounted to a violation of the First Amendment. The court found that the Biden administration officials coerced and threatened social media companies to take down content. To quote from the panel, the officials have engaged in a broad pressure campaign designed to coerce social media companies into suppressing speakers, viewpoints, content disfavored by the government. The harms that radiate from such conduct extend far beyond just the plaintiffs. It impacts every social media user. Wow. That's important. Now, the way it's written up by the media is, the Republicans wanted this, it's a Republican panel, it's a Republican this. This is the problem with the media today, as I keep saying. We don't have a free press, we have a press that's free to lie. That's a big difference. But whatever they say doesn't matter. All that is fact. Tonight I'm here to tell you that Americans have a good decision out of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals only if you believe in the First Amendment and free speech. If you don't, you're going to be very upset. Now, ladies and gentlemen, every Friday, Ray Charles in America, in your honor. Here we go. Life, Liberty, and Levin this Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now look, if you're going to be watching football, go to your DVR now, set the recording. That way you can see both, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Set it forever. Also, please go to Amazon.com, grab your copy before it's too late. 40% off first edition. We salute our armed forces, police officers, firefighters, personnel, our wonderful truckers and freedom fighters all over the world. Good night, Spritey, and good night, Griffey. Good night, Pepsi and Smokey. Good night, Zelda and Gigi. Good night, Indy, Patton, Rory. Good night, Barney and Marty, and now, good night, Kyra. Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom. Good night, Leo. Good night, Joe. And America, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on Sunday.
Consumer Cellular's award-winning customer support is 100% based in the U.S. And you are 100% based in the U.S. That's something you have in common with Consumer Cellular's customer service. Consumer Cellular's customer service likes pizza. And you like pizza. You want a free month of service, and we want to give you one. We obviously can't wait to hear from you. Visit consumercellular.com/free month and enter code free month to get your second month free. Consumer Cellular. When freedom calls, we're here to answer. Promotion is subject to terms and conditions.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
I travel a lot. I also have a family, so when I looked into ways to protect my home, wife, and 2 daughters, I really did my homework. I did my homework, and one business stood out: J&D Alarms. J&D Alarm has been serving the community for over 30 years with the best products and services available. Video monitoring with the best cameras in the market, including night vision imagery. J&D can also install fire alarm systems